Greetings everyone. Lately I found out that a lot of people who are fascinated with the Tesla touchscreen, the famous big touchscreen, they don't know how to exactly use it in the best way. So I decided to prepare this video discussing how to use the Tesla touchscreen in the best possible way. Friends, Tesla touchscreen is the primary way to interact with your Tesla vehicle. It controls everything from the climate control to the navigation system. So here's a quick guide on how to use the Tesla touchscreen. First, starting the touchscreen. To turn on the touchscreen, press the power button on the bottom right corner of the screen. Second, navigating the touchscreen. You can use the touchscreen by touching the icons or text that you want to interact with. You can also use the scroll, where on the right side of the steering wheel or scroll through menu and lists. Third, using voice commands. You can also use voice command to control your Tesla touchscreen. To do this, press and hold the voice command button on the steering wheel, then speak your command. Now, here's some of the things you can do with the touchscreen. Controlling the climate control. Okay, you can use the touchscreen to adjust the temperature, fan speed, and other climate control settings. Another thing you can do with your Tesla touchscreen is to use it as a navigation. You can use the touchscreen to enter a destination and get directions. You can also use the map to see your current location and nearby points of interest. You can play music with your Tesla touchscreen. You can use the touchscreen to play music from your phone, a USB drive, or the internet. You can also control the volume and other playback settings. And you use the car's features with your Tesla touchscreen. You can use the touchscreen to control the car's features such as the headlights, turn signals, and wipers. And also you can get help using your touchscreen, friends. If you need help with your Tesla, with anything in your Tesla, you can use the touchscreen to access the car's owner's manual, or contact Tesla customer support through your touchscreen. Friends, the Tesla touchscreen is a powerful tool that can help you control your car and enjoy your driving experience. By following these tips, you can learn how to use it to its full potential. Now, here are also some additional tips for using the Tesla touchscreen. Use the split screen view. Have you ever done that? The split screen view allows you to view two different things on the touchscreen at the same time. This is useful for things like viewing the map while also playing music. Another thing you can do with your Tesla touchscreen is to use the quick controls. The quick controls are a set of shortcuts that you can use to access frequently used features. To access the quick controls, swipe up from the bottom of the screen. Also, you can use your Tesla touchscreen, like I said, you can use it with voice command. Voice commands can be a great way to control the touchscreen while you're driving. To use voice commands, press and hold the voice command button on the steering wheel, then speak your command. And also keep touchscreen very clean. Keep that in mind. The touchscreen is a delicate piece of equipment in Tesla, so it's important to keep it clean. To clean the touchscreen, use a soft damp cloth. Avoid using harsh chemicals or abrasive cleaners. Now, I think if you follow these tips, you can keep your Tesla touchscreen clean and in good working order for a long time. I hope this video helped you to find out the best ways how you can use your Tesla touchscreen and what features there are. And if it was helpful, please give us a like, subscribe to this channel, and share it with your fellow Tesla friends. God bless you and have a great day.